Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to work on Webull, a popular online trading platform. Webull is designed to provide users with a seamless and intuitive experience, allowing them to trade stocks, options, and other financial instruments with ease. To get started, you will need to download the Webull app or access the platform through the website. Once you have created an account and logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard, where you can view your account balance, portfolio, and market data. The first step is to fund your account, which can be done through a variety of methods, including bank transfers and wire transfers. Once your account is funded, you can start exploring the various features and tools that Webull has to offer. One of the key features of Webull is its advanced charting and technical analysis tools. These tools allow you to analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions. You can customize the charts to suit your needs, adding indicators and other features as required. To place a trade, simply click on the trade button and select the type of trade you want to make, such as a market order or limit order. You will then be prompted to enter the details of the trade, including the stock symbol, quantity, and price. Webull also offers a range of educational resources and market data, including real-time news and analysis. You can use these resources to stay up to date with market trends and make informed investment decisions. In terms of best practices, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved in trading and to develop a solid investment strategy. This includes setting realistic goals, managing risk, and diversifying your portfolio. By following these steps and using the features and tools available on Webull, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of trading.